माला जपना शुरू करते थे। जब से उनका राफेल वाला मामला ग्राउंडेड हो गया, तब से उन्होंने एक नई माला जपना शुरू किया। 5 साल से एक ही माला जपते थे, 5 उद्योगपति, 5 उद्योगपति, 5 उद्योगपति। फिर धीरे धीरे कहने लगे अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी।
Modi attacks Rahul's silence on Adani Ambani. Will Congress reply? Air News reports. Experts believed that former Prime Minister A.B. Vajpayee had the gift of the gab, but it seems the incumbent PM Narendra Modi has taken over. One attack after the other. Modi has been attacking Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party over pertinent subjects, and seriously speaking, Rahul has no answer to it. After reservation and Mangal Sutra, it is the Adani-Ambani jibe that Modi has taken recourse to in a bid to corner Rahul. Post the Rai Bareli fiasco, Rahul is now at the receiving end of Modi on the former's silence on industrialists since the announcement of Lok Sabha elections, reports Diganta Guha. Addressing a rally in Telangana, Modi retorted, "For 5 years, Congress's Shehzade kept chanting one thing. After his Rafale issue got grounded, he started a new chant. 5 industrialists, 5 industrialists, 5 industrialists." Gradually, he started saying Ambani Adani. But since the elections were announced, he stopped abusing Ambani and Adani. Today, I want to ask from Telangana soil, he must declare how much money they have taken from Ambani Adani. Was there a deal? Why did you stop abusing Ambani and Adani overnight? Zarur dal mein kuch kala hai. You abused them for 5 years and then it stopped overnight, the Prime Minister said in Telangana as quoted by NDTV.com. This is perhaps the first time that Modi has attacked Rahul over a subject that has had him at the receiving end of the Congress. Rahul is yet to reply, but he certainly may not have a strong weapon to retaliate. Yes, Rahul doesn't have the gift of the jab for some reasons, but his stoic silence on the matter is conspicuous. Is it because his Telangana government has entered into an investment deal with the Adani Group? Or is it because he may need them if at all NDA is shown the exit door? Political comments have hit an all-time low, which we have dissected threadbare, but logic cannot flee. And to exacerbate the Congress misery, Sam Pitroda's statements on inheritance tax, and now the looks of Indians are making matters worse. On Pitroda's comment, Modi said that Rahul has to answer on this since the nation won't endure such observations. Is it like giving BJP victory on a platter? In terms of vitriolic political attacks, Modi and company have left the India alliance way behind in the race, and it is left to the likes of Jairam Ramesh and others to be entrusted with the responsibility of doing the damage control. It is high time maturity and prudence creep into Rahul's mind so as to take on the acerbic jabs hurled at him.
नमस्कार मोदी जी, थोड़ा सा घबरा गए क्या? नॉर्मली आप बंद कमरों में अदानी जी अंबानी जी की बात करते हो, पहली बार आपने पब्लिक में अदानी अदानी अंबानी बोला। और आपको ये भी मालूम कि ये टेम्पो में पैसा देते हैं, क्या ये आपका पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है क्या? एक काम कीजिए, CBID को इनके पास भेजिए ना, पूरी जानकारी करिए, इंक्वायरी कराइए, जल्दी से जल्दी कराइए, घबराइए मत मोदी जी। और मैं देश को फिर से दोहरा के कह रहा हूँ, जितना पैसा नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इनको दिया है ना, उतना ही पैसा हम हिंदुस्तान के गरीब लोगों को देने जा रहे हैं।